This is the new 11061 self-adjusting wire stripper. This is a great tool for HVAC applications specifically because it allows you to strip the outer jacket of the thermostat wire, and then also allows you to strip all the individual wires associated with that, whether you have a 5, 4, 3, or even a 7 conductor, because of the automatic self-adjusting heads. You have the one thumb wheel here that allows you to adjust the tension that comes down on top of the wire, and then you also have another adjustment here that will adjust the wire stop. So depending on the length that you're looking at cutting or stripping, this allows you to do that. Again, with this, it allows you to put the outer jacket into the stripping head here and self-adjust. You take that out, and then all of a sudden you have all the different conductors there to where you can then place it in there, make a slight adjustment on the wheel, and self-adjust again. This tool also features a wire cutting mechanism here, which you can cut to whatever wire length you need. The new Klein 11061.